Hello, everyone. My name is Riley Dickens, and I'm a consultant at Encryption Consulting. Encryption Consulting covers all the aspects of security concerns, such as data security, key management, and data privacy. Today, we'll be discussing security in a leading cloud service provider with Amazon Web Services Key Management Service and its important features. At the end of this video, we will have a high-level idea of AWS KMS provisions. Now let's start with the introduction. Amazon offers cloud services to users, and data security within the cloud is a major concern for the majority of companies. AWS offers key management services for its clients to protect data. AWS Key Management Service, or KMS, provides a user-friendly web UI to configure and manage the security keys used to protect data at rest and data in use. It acts like a placeholder for CMKs, or customer master keys. It acts like a placeholder for customer master key resources containing key metadata to encrypt and decrypt data. AWS KMS has the ability to integrate with various other AWS services, and this feature enables us to integrate with services for better productivity. Keys can be managed in many different ways using AWS KMS, such as AWS managed, customer managed, and AWS owned. We will discuss these in depth as we progress further. AWS supports both symmetric and asymmetric CMKs, which are used to protect your data and cryptographic keys. Now, let us discuss key features that should be considered while designing AWS Key Management Service. Centralized key management. Firms can create and manage their own keys with complete control over key lifecycle and permissions. Also, you can import keys from your own public key infrastructure or leverage keys stored in AWS Cloud HSM clusters. Flexibility in managing cryptographic keys is one of the most prominent AWS features. AWS Service Integration. AWS Key Management Service can be integrated with various AWS services to provide protection such as data at rest encryption, Amazon EC2 Image Builder, AWS Certificate Manager, and Kubernetes services, to name a few. Optimal usage of resources can be achieved with the integration feature. Custom Key Store. With Amazon Cloud HSM clusters, firms will have the ability to create their own key store. A customer master key, or CMK, with key material has to be created, which will be used in the custom key store for performing cryptographic operations. All the AWS services integrated with your AWS KMS can use the CMKs stored in the custom key store. Asymmetric keys. Asymmetric CMKs and data key pairs can be created using AWS KMS capabilities. The public key in asymmetric CMKs can be shared with a firm's local application, whereas the private key is secured in AWS KMS. All asymmetric key pairs are used either for encryption and decryption or signing and verification, but never for both. Compliance. This is the most desired feature any CISO will look for while choosing a cyber technology. AWS KMS is in compliance with international security standards and frameworks such as PCI DSS, FIPS 140-2, HIPAA, FedRAMP, and more. One of the key features of AWS KMS is customer master keys. A customer master key is a critical resource in AWS KMS, which contains key metadata which can be leveraged in encrypting and decrypting your sensitive data. Let us discuss CMKs and their types at a high level. A customer master key is a logical representation of a master key. CMKs usually contain key material data such as key ID, creation date, description, and key state. This metadata is used for encryption and decryption of sensitive information. AWS KMS supports both symmetric and asymmetric CMKs. There are three types of CMKs, categorized based on use. These types are customer-managed CMKs, AWS-managed CMKs, and AWS-owned CMKs. Customer-managed CMKs. These type of keys allow you to manage your own CMKs. Users can create, own, and manage keys with full control over CMKs. You can use these CMKs for cryptographic operations and also audit their use in CloudTrail logs. AWS managed keys. AWS services integrated with AWS KMS manage the creation and usage of CMKs on behalf of the user. Users can view key policies and audit the use of CMKs in AWS CloudTrail logs. AWS owns CMKs. Complete ownership of CMKs are with AWS in this category. Users won't be able to control the CMKs, but can use them through other AWS services. Strategies such as key rotation and maintenance are completely handled by AWS. In our next video series, we'll provide deep dive insights into CMKs. Identity and access management is very crucial in securing your AWS KMS infrastructure. The primary way to control the access to your AWS KMS CMKs is with IAM and key policies. Let us look into some best practices on key policies for providing IAM capabilities to AWS KMS. AWS KMS IAM policies. Access controls can be placed on CMKs using a combination of AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, policies or key policies. There are two types of IAM policies: identity-based policies and resource-based policies. Policies attached to IAM identities are identity-based policies, whereas policies attached to resources outside of IAM are resource-based policies. Least privilege can be enforced by granting granular access to AWS KMS using identity-based policies. IAM policies are, by default, denied policies, and actions cannot be performed unless permissions are granted explicitly. Key policies. Key policies are the primary and most crucial way to control access to CMKs in AWS KMS. Key policies define permissions regarding the usage and management of keys. Every CMK will have a key policy attached. To access encrypted resources in an AWS environment, users need to have permission to use the resource CMK, encryption, and decryption API actions. CMK key policies can also be used to restrict the usage of a customer master key by specific AWS services only. This concludes our insight into AWS KMS at a high level. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about key features of AWS KMS, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. If any confusion arises, contact us at encryptionconsulting.com, or if you simply want more details. Thank you.